Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me a bit today. So happy you're here because we're going to be kicking off outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits, you get a little bit of life in there, you get PA weather. We sure hope you stick around, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. So first of all, big news. Zena, I'm going to talk about her since she's here and I don't know if she'll be here tomorrow, will be 16 tomorrow on Veterans Day. Is she not the sweetest? She sleeps with her eyes open. She's sound asleep. She'll be 16 tomorrow. So crazy, right? I'm super excited. Anyway, so we'll have to have a celebration for her. I think I didn't introduce myself. If you're new, I'm Laura. Of course, now you know that. Zena. Wyatt is the white puppy dog. If you see a kitty, that's Harvey. All right, so it is Sunday morning and another busy Sunday for me. I am traveling once again this week. It's kind of going to be a pattern here as we get towards the end of the year, as we're trying to cram everything for work into a very small time frame. So I'll be leaving very early Tuesday morning and I'm staying through Thursday. So I have videos backed up I need to try to get done. I need to figure out packing, washing of clothes, groceries, all that kind of fun stuff. And for outfit of the day today, I chose everything that looked comfy. I have on a pair of Z Supply pants I got in a Wantable. I have on this awesome Rolling Stones t-shirt I got in a front door fashion. Paired it with a Liverpool jacket. This one is a cozy. It's like super, super soft. Also from a Wantable. And then slipped on these little loafers by Dolce Vita that I got in a Trendsend. Aren't those not fun? And for jewelry, I just put my hoops on and that was it. That's my outfit today. All right. Hope your week is going well and I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Monday already. Time for outfit of the day. I decided to come outside. It is amazing out. So it's a bit windy. You can see my hair is a little bit tousled. It's 56 degrees, getting up to 58, but the sun feels really warm and it's kind of nice out here. So I decided to, try to get a couple more in here before it's too late. So my Wantable posted today, and it was a really good one. So I ended up keeping 5 from that collection. And it was the fall trends. I got 5 of my wish list items, which I will tell you those are the 5 that I kept. So I kept the Z Supply wide leg denim, amazing, I love them. Kept the Ichi blazer, I think I might pack that this week. Either that one or the Z Supply one, that pinstripe Monroe blazer, kept that one. The all day knit and the faux suede duster, I really enjoyed that. I returned the green top. I thought once I lose some color here as we head into the colder months, I'm not sure it would look that great on me. And I just thought that weekend LA cardigan was way too big. So I did end up keeping 5 to get the discount. Here comes the wind gust. This is what I was talking about. You can see why my hair is all over the place. All right, just in time. For outfit of the day today, I have on an Armoire outfit. I have on a sweater from Michael Stars. My pants are All Saints. And then I threw on shoes. These are Vince Camuto. Got them in a Stitch Fix. For jewelry, I have on gold hoops and my bracelet stack. I'm ready to go. All right, I got a very busy day working and then I still have to pack. I haven't even started to pack yet because I have to leave around 4:30 in the morning. Got to get up at what, 2:30? It's going to be a long day tomorrow. I'll see you then. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday. It is 4:20 in the morning. Yes, I've got to hit the road. I hope your week is going amazing. And let's see. For outfit of the day, I chose LTJ pants from a Stitch Fix. I have on a long sleeve tee from the Loft. And I have on a White House Black Market jacket that I love. I got it last year. You may remember it. It has all these great cutouts on both sleeves. I love this. And then for shoes, also Stitch Fix. These are Vince Camuto little slides, which I love, or mules. And for jewelry, I have on Ana Luisa necklaces, my hoops, and my bracelet stack. And I think I think I am ready to go. I guess we'll see when I get there. All right. Hope your week is off to a great start. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. I'm waking up to 29 degrees. It is supposed to get up to 52. Neither feel warm, but 29 is really cold. And let's see, my Ever Eve haul post today. I had some fun at the Ever Eve store a couple weekends ago. I'm so happy to share some of my picks. Let me know what you think. I think I went from mild to wild on that one. So happy to hear what you thought of those pieces. For today's outfit, I have on cut from the cloth denim from, I believe these are from a Trendsend. Paired it with an Ever Eve sweater that I was just in my haul. And then this really awesome vest that I got in a JB Stylebox. This is the reversible one if you remember. So it's puffer on one side and the fur on the other. I went fur today. I have a gold belt on from Loft, and my shoes, I went with the pattern Dolce Vita in this fun leopard. My jewelry is the same as yesterday, and I'm off. Hope you're doing awesome. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. It is 34 degrees outside. It's getting up to 50 today. And for outfit of the day, I chose marine layer pants from a Stitch Fix, a Z Supply sweater that I got from a boutique, added a blingy, or I should say a patterned belt. This one's leopard. I got it from Amazon. And this is the bling, my shoes. I just shared these in my latest Ever Eve haul. I love these. They are so comfortable. The heel is just so nice to add a little bit of dress to it, but they feel like a comfy shoe. They're by Dolce Vita. And then my jewelry stack, I've been wearing same necklaces, my hoop earrings. And I'm set. All right, I am off. Can't wait to see you tomorrow for Happy Dance. Hey everybody, guess what day it is? It's Friday. We made it. We made it. This one was a very, very, very long one, wasn't it, Wyatt? Very long. This was such a long week. And the temperatures have dropped. It's raining, it's drizzly, it's yucky. But Wyatt doesn't mind. He likes it, don't you, buddy? You like it. You like it. He's ready to escape. Scratching my pants. All right, so let's see. As I mentioned, cold outside, so it's 50. That's pretty much the high. And it has been, there's no sun today, like zero sun. It is heavy cloud coverage, so it looks very dismal and means it's going to get dark even earlier than usual. It's just not pretty out. And for outfit of the day today, I chose Loft pants. These are the vegan leather jogger that I shared in one of my hauls. Then I have on just a Loft long sleeve tee, put my AG Robin denim jacket over top of it from Bloomingdale's. My shoes, decided to go with some fun shoes. We did the leopard by Dolce Vita. Got those in a Trendsend a long, long time ago. Then for jewelry, I have on my smaller hoops. I have a necklace that was my mom's. Isn't this so pretty? And my bracelet stack. And that's my outfit today. We have one more outfit this week. I'm looking forward to bringing you Saturday and getting into the weekend. It's still the work day right now, so hopefully I'll look much more relaxed tomorrow. I'll catch you then. Hey everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. It is not really that nice outside, 44 degrees, getting up to 51, and it looks rainy, like a drizzly. Let's see, my JB Stylebox posted today, and I thought it was another amazing box by my rock star stylist, Carol. Let's see. Little Miss here is making all kinds of noise because she just wants more treats, even though my son just gave her treats. Just gave them to her. She's not happy. So we'll give her more. All right, let's run through these. The slim cuff pants, which was the jogger by Varley, I kept those. I just like them. I thought they'd be great for travel, for comfort, for weekend. The half zip though by Varley, I did not keep. Like, I don't do well with like half zips or like that funnel neck collar. It's just not me. So I did not keep that. The reversible tank I did, because a brown tank is not something you can find easily. Sometimes they're super hard to find. The wide leg flare in silver by Cut, I kept those. The runway leather legging. Now, I know some people said they weren't into the leggings. I will tell you, I am seeing them everywhere now. So they are coming back, at least for the fall season here. So I am seeing them more and more and more. So for the price of these, I decided to give these a try. And then the Mason window pane coat by Z Supply. You guys know I love Z Supply. I kept that. The pearl sleeveless knit top I thought was so pretty. I didn't keep it, and the reason was because I just don't think I would reach for it. It's sleeveless, and in order to see the pearls, you need to not have a jacket on. It is cold time for me now. I can't see me wearing it where you would be able to see all the beauty of it. I would need to wear it when the weather is warm, and then it doesn't make sense. So the Asherton jacket in crimson I did not keep. So I enjoyed that puffer jacket. I thought it was really nice. It's again an item that I just don't think I would grab for. And then the Fallen for Lace tank, I kept that. Great basic. So that was my JB style box. My stylist just rocks, right? And let's see, for today, I chose a Armoire outfit. You may remember this from my Armoire haul. I love, love, love this outfit. DL 1961 jeans. I put on this Lilla P top, and yes, pulled out the trench because I couldn't wait to wear it. For shoes, I stuck with what I had on yesterday because I thought it would go so nicely with the green, so I'm doing my Dolce Vitas. And for jewelry, I have on my bigger hoops. I have on an Ana Luisa necklace, my bracelet stack. I think I'm ready to go. I'm off to breakfast with my friend. I hope you enjoyed this. Please share your favorite outfit. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, so I can keep on doing it, and I will list all my outfits down below. If I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so I'll share the box links. Can't wait to read your comments. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, everybody.